Hi, I'm Matthew,
And I'm Inti.
and today we are reading 101 Ways to Bug Your Teacher. And in all his classes, Sneeze has been doing something
very, not confusing, but weird. Because he keeps our question is,
why does Sneeze keep trying to bug his teacher?
Yeah.
In 101 ways. I hope it's 101 ways. That would be so satisfying.
To bug your teacher.
Yeah.
And then he keeps getting sit out in the hall. So now he's happy about it for some reason.
Because he doesn't want to go to high school. Instead of going to
because he's doing so good, so now he's trying to be bad, so he doesn't go to high school straight and skip 8th grade.
Yeah.
So first, what did he do first?
He first did.
What did he do first?
Oh yeah. During roll call, when his teacher called his name, he said, "Not here."
Not here.
Not here.
Then the second thing he did was
look at the clock every 5 minutes as if to say, "Isn't this class ever going to end?"
And then he keeps groaning, right?
He sighed.
And then
every 3 minutes he accidentally knocked his backpack off his desk heavily.
Wasn't it every 5 minutes?
No, every 3 minutes.
And every time a kid asked a question, he would after a minute after the person said that, he would literally just say
that exact same question a minute later. And then whenever the teacher asked the class a question, he would be like, "Oh, I know." And then when the teacher called it in, "Never mind."
and in music, no, was it Spanish or music?
Spanish.
Then in Spanish, he was drumming all over his desk with his fingers and he was zipping up his coat. And he was also smacking the person in front of him with a pencil. Like
what I'm doing, except with a pencil.
And except the person in front of you.
Yeah.
And that's kind of weird. So then he got sent to the hall there. And then in literature, wait, what? Did he do something weird in science, or what's next?
It was literature.
What's next?
And
in literature, so there's this really old lady.
No, she's not old.
Yes, she is.
She treats everyone like they're her great-great-grandchildren.
Oh, well, that would be different. But she's really nice to everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah, and on their birthday, she would give them cookies. Milk and cookies.
Can I have that teacher?
On their birthday. Which is kind of crazy.
And then in class, he blew a big bubble of gum.
The size of a watermelon.
And then it popped, and creating a gunshot.
And it almost gave the teacher a heart attack. She was like,
"Is someone trying to kill us?" Oh wait, that was just a piece of gum.
And then she was like, "Go to the halls, mister. You have done bad stuff today."
"Come to the hall, mister."
So that's his third time going into halls, I think.
Yeah.
And is that it? Yeah. Okay, so that's it for the video.
Bye.